Okay. Here we are in Bishop's Stortford. One of the few remaining independent, non-corporate garages. Let's just move forward. We're on the side of this very quite busy road. There used to be loads of these garages around, repair workshops. They've all gone. There's a passion here, isn't there? You can see it. Wobbly camera here. And there's just a little Fiat 500 here. Looks like one of the originals. Let's just adjust the camera a bit and move away. It's non-corporate. It may have posh modern cars in it, or what I would consider posh modern cars. Anything less than 10 years old is posh and modern. There's that little Fiat, and we're just moving through. And here's the geezer himself.
Just as you have turned up, man, you've got a frog in my throat.
This is Jamie. Yeah, he's the entrepreneur of this establishment, right? And he's got two things to tell us about rail track, I believe. Is that correct, or am I got the story totally wrong?
Well, you're warm, yeah. As it happens, you know, my little business has been here for 38 years. Uses a car parking area which is leased, and it was recently handed over to, let's just say, a corporate Goliath, and I ended up being David, battling that corporate Goliath. And I'm sort of nearly there, I hope, cross fingers, but you know, we're an independent town garage employing local people, providing local service and giving local training, real down-to-earth town garage. And we were pretty well nearly crushed out of business by a corporate Goliath wanting to put us out our land rent up by 335%, not forgetting the relative increase in rates. So it was a pretty existential battle. I'm just in the throes of completing a deal, only to find out that in London all the railway arches that are filled up with other small businesses, from mechanics to bakers to, well, just seedbed entrepreneurs, are having the same battle. So anyone who likes Andy should not really go to me, Jamie Smither, or Station Garage Stortford. You can if you want. I've got a little YouTube channel with some silly videos on. You should go to Guardian of the Arches, their Facebook page perhaps, and support them in their battle against the corporate Goliath, which, in a nutshell, Andy, is the government selling off the family silver, i.e. Railtrack's assets, to pay the milk bill. Okay, and who cares about all the independent small businesses, which are the very growth of an economy, being elbowed out of businesses with rent increases? You know, short-termism, if you get my gist. Is that enough, Andy?
A bit more.
A bit more.
What happens if a small business does survive but has to say put 50% on their charges to their customers?
So, you know, after some serious negotiation involving social media, battling my case with me, basically giving me moral support to say no, I would have been out of business, because your very reason sometimes can be undermined by just the unfairness of it all. But I didn't give up, thanks to my customers.
So non-corporate, local garage that looks after the customers. And if the customer doesn't look after you, then it's an equal crime.
Yes, absolutely, yes, yes. So the word is alternative, Andy, an alternative way of looking at things, an alternative service. Alternative.
Thank you very much, Jamie.
You're welcome, Andy.
Cheers now.
Keep it up.